This is Attorney Ted Bond Jr., and today's topic is dealing with bad tenants. The best piece of advice we can give to any landlord is that bad tenants never get better. You simply should not tolerate tenants who consistently make payments late, or who fail to pay their rent at all, or who only make partial payments. The best thing that you can do is, as soon as the rent becomes late, get in the habit of giving the tenant an immediate 5-day notice demanding that they pay everything that's due within the 5 days. If they fail to pay within the 5 days, start the eviction proceedings through the courts as quickly as possible. Although eviction cases are expedited compared to other civil cases, they still do not move through the courts as quickly as many landlords would like. Also, you should never tolerate a tenant withholding part of a rent payment which is due. Many tenants will try to make excuses, claiming that there's something wrong with the property, that they are dissatisfied with something in the property that they are renting, and try to withhold some or all of the rent for that basis. What they're attempting to assert in those cases is what's known as a constructive eviction, which is a grounds for abating rent when a property becomes uninhabitable. However, when a tenant stays in the property, even if there is something physically wrong with the premises, they have no right to withhold rent just because the repairs have not yet been made. And as long as they give the landlord notice of the request and the landlord makes a reasonable attempt to repair the property quickly, withholding rent is not a valid method of dealing with that situation. Finally, you should never tolerate a tenant who refuses to allow you access to your property. You still own the property. The tenant cannot bar you from inspecting the property or making repairs. The law in general requires that as long as you advise the tenant at least 24 hours in advance that you're going to be coming to the property for a specific purpose, that the tenant cannot lock you out or refuse you access to the property. If you are having trouble with a difficult tenant and need to move forward with evicting them from the property, feel free to give us a call here at 847-599-9101.